The hydraulic press brake is an advanced tool for precise sheet metal bending, perfect for both production and service applications. It comes equipped with various controller models. OT41, a basic model offering essential features for standard bending. Ideal for simpler tasks. Delem DA-53T, a more advanced controller with expanded programming capabilities and higher precision. Delem DA-58T, the top model in this class, offering a wide range of features, including advanced access control and process customization options. It ensures maximum efficiency and precision. The USB data transfer feature and on-screen prompt support the operator, making daily machine operation and programming easier. The machine can be equipped with optional accessories, such as an automatic R-axis for adjusting the rear stop height, W1 and Y2 axis control, and V-compensation, ensuring even bending of long parts. With these features, the press guarantees high precision and efficiency for more complex tasks. The Amada Quick Tool Clamping System, optional double-sided clamps, and the ability to use split tools. Enhance flexibility and speed in adapting the machine to different tasks. Precise magnetic scales and durable steel hydraulic connections ensure reliability over years of heavy use. The cooling system maintains stable parameters, even when operating in a 3-shift system. Operator safety is a priority. The press is equipped with light curtains and safety switches, minimizing the risk of accidents by automatically stopping the machine when necessary. Contact us at 630-302-1532 or visit otinas.com for more information. Otinas, your reliable partner in metalworking. We serve you